Hello and welcome to my new kitchen. I am so excited. This haul and try on video or videos, depending on how long this takes, have been weeks in the making. I have been holding on to my Black Friday order from Elate Cosmetics for weeks now because I wanted to try and be a little more professional. So we've got my new tripod, my new light. I am having a script written out so I can get all of those important details out. And we are now in my new apartment, and my kitchen's not that cute, but it's mold free, and my allergies are doing so much better. So a win is a win. Thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's chat about what my intention was for this Black Friday haul. If you guys have followed my channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms, I do receive gifted items from other brands, but personally, I choose to spend my money on sustainable beauty, eco-friendly beauty, small brands. And so I want to be supporting brands and create content about brands that reflect my own personal values. And one of those personal values and things that I've been trying to do is one in and one out. 2025 was a very low buy year, thank goodness, because first year as a flight attendant is a rough financial year. I did save up specifically to do this Black Friday haul. When I was reflecting about what I wanted for this haul, I was very, very clear about what I wanted. Right now, I currently have a touch-up palette in my work tote, and then I have the rest of my makeup bag in my suitcase. I think I would prefer, and we're gonna test this out, a face palette, like a full face palette in my tote bag, because I normally work transcon flights, which can get up to 7 hours. My last transcon from Boston was 7 hours long, and sometimes I need more than just a little concealer, lipstick, and touch like some face powder. Sometimes I need a little bit more. And so the intention with this is to create kind of a full face palette using Elate Cosmetics custom palettes to put in my tote bag and also restock some items and move forward in some beauty goals that I have that started last year and are keeping up this year. In full transparency, I am an Elate Beauty, Elate Cosmetics affiliate. I have been affiliated with the brand since 2021 in various capacities, whether it be creating content or just having an affiliate link. Right now, I just have an affiliate link, which means if you choose to buy anything using my discount code or using the links below, I earn a small commission off of that, but please never feel pressured. And everything in this video I purchased with my own money, and Elate doesn't have any idea that I'm even going back on YouTube or I'm creating YouTube videos. This is something that I do for me that's really fun, but if it turns you off, I totally get it, but I have to be fully transparent that I am affiliated with them, and I have been for a long time. So let's get into this haul and keep talking about sustainability and what I got. As mentioned before, we have my palette that I'm wanting. This is their capsule palette, which is the largest size currently on their website. They used to make a larger size. It can fit 16 pressed powders and has a mirror. So this is why I was like, this is such a good little, that's why I was like, this is such a good little palette here. And I'm sorry if I keep looking down. I am trying to hit my script today so you guys get the right amount of details and not a super lengthy amount of time. Here is the pressed foundation powder. This is in the shade PN2. I'm just gonna pop it out here. PN2. This is considered light neutral, and after I purchased it, I got a little worried about how dark this may be. Like, maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. I also have it swatched right here. So maybe this will be a good fit for my skin. My current foundation is the Axiology Foundation, which I also just am and replacing from Black Friday. I love that cream foundation, but this is part of like my full face palette. Maybe I'm running late. Maybe I need to get some fuller coverage while I'm on the flight. This is specifically a tote bag palette. So I know that Elate and Axiology products work really well. And so that's why I was thinking we'll get this pressed powder foundation. We'll get like a nice full look or touch-up look using the pressed powder. What's interesting about this pressed powder, and I didn't realize this the last time I used it, but it makes sense because I have dry skin, I have large pores, and I have textured skin, and I found even when I was using this powder foundation, it wasn't showing up on my skin. It didn't highlight my texture, it just looked good. That's because this pressed powder foundation is supposed to be hydrating for your skin. I know, I know. If you get crusty using anything other than a satin finish, we're on the same page. This powder foundation might actually work for you. If you were wondering what to do with this packaging, I actually really like this packaging because it's a byproduct of sugarcane waste, and I used to live near a sugarcane processing facility, and I used to live near a lot of sugarcane, and this can be composted, so that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna go in our compost here in the kitchen. I have composted all of my palettes from Elate, but you can carry this around if you don't wanna buy a bamboo palette. My God, can you hear the child screaming? And then the aluminum is recycling. I read a lot of comments that this was really hard to remove, but this is how easy it was for me to remove immediately. I was really worried whether I'd break the powder. I am so good at breaking powders. Didn't have an issue with this. So if that was something that worries you reading comments online, I didn't have that and I filmed it all. So one of the things I didn't get from this haul was my cream concealer. Elate has been doing some major brand upgrades regarding warehouses and making sure people in the US and other countries can get their shipments with everything going on. And there's just been some numbers, so I got that part of my order refilled, but just so you know, I am looking to get a new concealer because mine is almost gone. When we do a full face of makeup, you'll see it. It's almost gone, but I am gonna refill it, and they have a new serum concealer that I am really excited to try. But it wouldn't go in my palette because this is specifically a palette video. In my Black Friday order, I chose to get two different pressed eyeshadows. This one is the shade Eclipse. I love this packaging. It's so easy to know what you got. This is the shade. I have another video if you want it. I thought this was so beautiful. I wanted something that would be different for me in a more comfortable area. I am loving a smoked out eye. I'm loving darker eyeshadows, and this is the reason I got this eyeshadow. I am 33 and I just want to be bold and be me and not be like worried about how everyone's going to be perceiving me because I wanted to wear a dark eyeshadow. Like, be so for real. Why are we still thinking like that? This is the Elate Cosmetics Essential Mascara. Let's unbox it here together. I'm so excited about this. I have been meaning to try this, but this is their refillable mascara. It is one of their most popular products, like IRL. Because I went to a zero waste store in San Francisco for a Do Mighty event, and multiple people brought this up. Multiple people brought up this mascara to me because we were talking about zero waste skincare, zero waste beauty, and I was telling them like, oh my God, I love Olay Beauty. I love them. I went there for years, and they're like, I've only really tried their mascara, and I love it. And I was like, funny because I love so many of their other products and I've never tried this mascara. This is supposed to be buildable, water and sweat resistant, and safe for sensitive eyes. My eyes have been very itchy today, so it'll be a good test. Also, really picky about my mascaras. Like I said, I had 7 different mascaras last year. One that wasn't a part of the kit, and 6 that were a part of the kit I bought from Credo Beauty. I only liked 3 out of the 7. I am very particular. I don't like panda smudges. I don't like fallout. I like my lashes to look long and a little more voluminous. If they're not long, they better be very voluminous. I am very particular, and it has to survive a workday because I cannot be up in first class with black smears around my eyes. I just can't. So I am very excited to test this out. I got it in the shade black, but I wish I'd gotten brown, but it's one in, one out, so black mascara it is. I ordered 5 aluminum caps because I still have some of my older Elate lipstick pencils, and their compostable caps have started to break apart. And like I mentioned, I am not necessarily the nicest person to my beauty bag. My bags are in and under seats, they are in overhead bins, they are getting bumped all over the airport, and so things tend to just a little bit. That being said, that doesn't mean I won't keep using my makeup as long as it's safe to use, which means I got some more caps. I was lucky enough to get 2 more lip pencils. These are in the shade Ardent and Indulge. I already swatched these. So this is the shade Ardent. It is a medium plum pink. And then this is the shade and that's the shade Indulge, which is a soft berry. And I think it's really important that I swatch these and I wear them. Let me know if you'd like a whole video dedicated to me swatching and trying on these Elate lip pencils because I have found how they look on my skin isn't necessarily how I interpret the color on the website. And I am pretty sure I'm a fair neutral. All of my foundations are fair neutral. Um, Whether or not you think so in this lighting, I'm a fair neutral in every foundation I try. Also, the shade Ardent, I used to be obsessed with it in 2021, 2022. I wore it all the time. So I was just excited to bring this one back into my collection. Personally, I find these lipsticks to be, I would say like a satin finish. They're supposed to be moisturizing. Some people find them dry. I find personally myself, after years of wearing them, because I have had every single pencil that has ever launched from Elate, like their lipsticks that I've ever launched in this form. If you want it to be a long wearing product, you need to put it on and let it sit, and you'll have a long wear satin. Obviously, it's not going to be as long wear as like a super matte, like liquid lip, but these are really long lasting. I have eaten with these on. If you want them to be moisturizing, you can keep reapplying. Or what I like to do is wear them as a lip liner that's pretty filled in and then top it off with their good gloss or maybe a lip serum that I have from another company. This package came with some free gifts. Indulge was one of the free gifts. We also have a new makeup bag with Lady Elate on her. I'm actually really excited. Elate Cosmetics has their soft start journal and it has Lady Elate. And that journal, I just feel like really reflects where I am in life right now. Like I'm going after so many things, but I cannot ignore where I need my mental and spiritual health to be while I'm working on my physical and financial health. Isn't this so cute? I love that bag charms are back in. This is the same size as their Petite palette, and look, it comes with a mirror. I don't know where I want to put this. I think I may put my house keys on it, but I don't know what I want to put in here because what I want to put in here is their old lip color. They used to have lip colors that came in the Petite palette that came in this size, and I didn't grab one because I was being financially responsible, and now I have the finances and they're sold out. So hopefully they become relaunched this summer. I've heard rumors that some products are going to come out this year, and I'm very excited because one of them I have been waiting a very long time for and have it hoarded in my bag. If you know, you know. So maybe they will bring it back out this summer. I know Elate has some big things just from watching their Instagram launching this year, and I'm really excited to see what they launch because as a brand, they're not someone who sticks with the same thing over and over again. They're constantly trying to better their products, make them more sustainable, just be as accessible. Like they lowered their price, they maintained their price points this year to make sustainability more accessible. I am just a big fan of the brand, so I'm excited to see what they launch, and we'll figure out what to put in my palette eventually. Thank you so much for watching this video about Elate Beauty, Elate Cosmetics. As you know, I've been a big fan of the brand for many years, and if you have any questions at all about the brand or the products, please comment them down below. I will always be 100% honest. Like I said, I used my money for these products. And I know how important, especially in this economy, it is to make sure that you're buying products that work for you and align with your values. And I would never want you to waste your hard earned money. So please comment below if you have any questions. I will always be 100% sincere and honest. And if you'd like to save money, I have that code that I mentioned before and links to some of my favorite sustainable beauty brands as well. I hope to see you again soon. Bye, guys. And don't forget to click here to watch my makeup video. Are you ready? Let's go make our palette.